Hi guys! So we've done a whole lot of crazy to my hair on this channel, from hair care, hairstyles, drastic haircuts, hair dyes and whatnot. And now here's another one of these videos. This is how my hair look currently. Yes, they are bleached, they look damaged and super frizzy, and I want to change that by freshly dyeing my hair to a color you've probably not seen on my channel before. Out of all the hair color brands that I've used over the years, I'll rank L'Oreal the highest. And so today I've reached out to it again. This time I'm going deep red. Yes, you heard me. This is the shade 4.26. They have the most user friendly and polished contents in the box. It makes it simple to color your hair at home. And they have the best conditioner. I really wish that they sold this one separately. I'm pretty excited